haven't had one forever, and they're amazing. And then I'm boiling water for boiled eggs to make drug eggs. You guys think good?
It is. It's got some things to work out and fix. Yes, it is pretty good.
Yeah. Fry egg and bullseye egg. Yep. Alright. That's... There you go. A little close. Okay. Now, y'all, I hate touching raw meat. I hate touching raw eggs. I am out of gloves. So I'm going to have to suck it up and touch the raw eggs and the raw whatever. So that makes me mad. So y'all can be like, ew. Like, just be aware of that. Trash can over here. Aw. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, water's boiling. Let me go ahead and get some tongs. Alright. You're the egg and you're going in my boiling water. No! Why the shorts? Because my legs are literally on fire. Okay. Go ahead and... Alright. Okay. I need to set a timer. So y'all hold on a second. Alright. 6 minutes on the timer. I'm going to give these a slight stir in a second. Alright. And